Hi, I'm gonna show you how to use Kärcher machine. So I have 3 kids, a big house, and I often have to clean my floors. So I love this machine because I can turn it around when I'm cleaning. And here is my little girl. She loves to draw, but sometimes she draws the floors. So I'm gonna show you how I take it off. So I just push the on button and voila, it's gone. And I love how I can, just turn around, go under cabinets and stuff. And so I don't have to dry off the floor because it's just minimum water coming out of it. And the charger is very good and long lasting. So I highly recommend to buy this if you have kids and have to wash your floors often.